Hello, this is the tutorial for my Lego puzzle box nail, I guess. I don't know what I'm gonna call it because I'm recording it before I uploaded it, but probably nail. However, it would be better if it wasn't blue, but well. First off, take a 4x4, there's smooth pieces here, and take a 1x1 in the corner here. Then build up a wall here. Yes. Okay, so put a 1x1 with a 1x1 flat on top, you see? Or just put a 1x4 in that one, yeah. You know. 1x1 and a 1x1 with a hole in, and a 2x1 on the top, like that. Then a 1x1 here, and then take two 1x1 with holes in, but put them like this, because there's gonna be room for a key here. Let's put it in. So take 2x2 here with a 2x1 head under here, and then 1x2 and a 1x1 smooth here. This will be the drawer. Okay. Having this is room for a dollar bill or whatever you want to put in there. I'll put it in later. Okay, so put a 1x4 smooth here, and take a 2x4 and a 1x1 here, and take a 1x2, 1x1 smooth, and 1x2 on top here, and yeah. And two 1x1s with a 1x2 smooth there. And here you want to put two 2x2s and 1x1, 1x1 smooth. It's gonna be twisted like this, and this will probably be here on 1x2. So now let's take this. It's 1x3, 1x1 smooth there. And then I have a 1x2. You could actually put a 3x2 under here. Take another 1x3 here, and 1x1 here, and a 1x1 smooth. And right here you want to put a 1x1. Okay, so put that in and slide this in like that. Now back here, take 1x3, 1x2 under here, and a 1x4 smooth on top. Alright. Okay. Actually, take this first. It's 1x4, 1x4 smooth, and a 1x2 here, and a 1x2 on the side here. Filling everything up. So 1x3 with a 1x2 smooth. Now you can put this piece on here. And just fill up that little gap. I know it's a little hard to slide this piece when it's like this and pull it back. I think actually could put smooth in the level of the blue, but you know, too much work. Do it if you want. And then a couple of 2x2s and some design if you want. There it is. Thanks for watching.